Welcome back to my channel Study Desk of Anand. So in this video series of working with AI agent and how we can create the AI agent, right? So we will be seeing how we can get started. So there are two ways why which we can get started. One, we can go visit to the website like netn.io, and here we can create an account like that. We can see get started. So we can provide the certain details like first name and then company email, confirmation email and account, and we will just sign up. So we'll get a 14 days trial. As we can see, let me just I already have created, so let me just show you after the providing the details, right, how this UI looks like. So once we log in to this NetN open source tool to create a AI agents, right? So this is how it will looks like, as we can demonstrate in the last video, right? So we have used the website, and the drawback of this website, like it's not available for longer period of time. It is available for only 14 days. But don't worry, we have alternate solutions. We can set it this n on our local machine so that we can play and learn n number of times, like however we want. So for that, what we can do, we simply download a Docker from this Docker website for Windows. We just download it, and after downloading, we will run the Docker. So we can do that. And if let's say by default the internet settings is not enabled, right? So we can go to this setting button and we can click on this resources, and we'll set up this WSL for integrations for Windows, and we'll say Docker engine. We will just provide this entry. I'll Don't worry about this entry. I'll provide in the description so that it will be handy for you. Now, once our Docker is installed over Windows, so what we can do, we will be just clicking on command prompt and run as a administrations, and there are two commands which we'll be executing to run the Docker in our Windows machine. So that command are available here, and I'll just paste this command in the descriptions so that you can refer during our installations. So we will just create a volume here, that we can see our volumes getting created, and next command we will be calling to run the Docker. So we can see that this command, I'll paste it in the descriptions so that you can refer. First time this will take a longer time since it is installed the all prerequisite. Now once it is installed, right, so for next time onward it will take less time. So now we can see that editor is now accessible on this port. So let me just execute this. So I will use a Google Chrome first since I already have created an account on Edge, right? So you won't be able to see the first how the first glimpse looks like. So when we trigger this first time, right? So here we can do a sign in, and we can provide the details. And since I already sign in, so what you can do, right? I have added my details. So this is how the page looks like. So I can add the further details, like I am doing engineering, and I'll just do some kind of other. I just choose the other one. Let me say data syncing, and you can probably based on yourself, right? You can provide these entries, and I'll just say less than 20. And how I got to know about this, so I would say YouTube, and just let's get started. So send me a free license key. I can just click on this so that you'll get it started. Now this is our editor. It looks like the same as the UI that we can see here. Like it's a web version and this is the local version. Both of them are look pretty exactly the same. So I hope guys you have understood the steps how we can create the N8N account either from the cloud or from the local. Stay tuned for the next video. We'll get started of N8N, and we'll see how we can work on this tool. Thank you so much, guys. Happy